Don't worry.
Oh no! Don't do that! The paper will stick to your clothes!
I'm fine. Really.
What are you doing here?
I'm here for an ear infection.
Does it hurt?
No, not at all. I'm just here to get some ear drops. That's all.
Right!
Oh, come on through now, Katie.
This damp patch is really making my legs cold.
Oh no! Don't worry. Here. Wrap this around your waist. It will cover it up and it will keep you warm.
Is that my jumper?
Yes! Sorry, my legs were cold. Here.
Did you pee yourself?
No, it's water. I swear.
That's disgusting, and this is my favorite jumper too.
Ah, young Katie, come on through.